Gel-like collections of blood that form in our veins or arteries are known as blood clots. The blood changes its form, going from liquid to partially solid, jelly-like. Clotting is a normal body function that helps the body from excessive blood loss when we suffer from injuries or wounds. Nevertheless, when these blood clots are formed in places where they do not get dissolved, or on their own, they can cause serious threats to your health. A blood clot is usually initiated as a response to a wound on a blood vessel. An unwanted blood clot is called a thrombus. When a blood clot is stationary, it is called thrombosis, while when this blood clot moves through the body, it is identified as a dangerous condition called thromboembolism or embolism. Blood clots can form both in the arteries, arterial clots, or veins, venous clots. Knowledge of your condition and the risk factors involved may help you identify and prevent this potentially life-threatening condition. Symptoms of blood clots. Symptoms of blood clots may depend on their location in your body. Some people may experience no symptoms at all. If the blood clots are in the brain, they can cause a stroke. They can exhibit a variety of symptoms, based on what part of the brain is affected. The symptoms may vary from problems in seeing or speaking, to difficulty in mobility, numbness, and sometimes seizures. If you have blood clots in your belly area, it can trigger pain or vomiting, and nausea. If a blood clot is formed in the leg or arm, you may observe that the part is tender to the touch. You may also observe redness, swelling, and warmth as a symptom of blood clots. You may experience pain or soreness in your limbs. You notice a warm point or a new swelling on your arm or leg. If the blood clot is in the lungs, it is a medical emergency. It may cause difficulty breathing, pain in the chest, and coughing blood. A blood clot in the heart may cause a heart attack with symptoms such as sweating, pain that travels down the left arm, chest pain, and/or breathlessness. If you experience any of these symptoms, immediately rush to the hospital. Remedies for blood clots. Garlic. Garlic is known as an effective anticoagulant food as it prevents the clotting of blood. Garlic helps in blood thinning and reduces blood clot formation in the arteries. It further helps to prevent atherosclerosis. You may eat a few raw garlic cloves on empty stomach in the morning. Tulsi. Tulsi is being used since ancient times to cure vascular diseases, a disease that affects your circulatory system, and other conditions. Tulsi extract has shown moderate to good activity in studies for breaking down clots. Since the preliminary studies make this claim, you must consult your doctor before using Tulsi to treat blood clots. You can chew fresh Tulsi leaves or drink Tulsi tea for its benefits. You can prepare Tulsi tea by boiling fresh or dried Tulsi leaves in some water and straining the leaves. Turmeric. Turmeric extract has shown its benefits in dissolving blood clots in some studies. Further studies are required to confirm this property of turmeric, therefore one must consult their doctor before using it to treat blood clots at home. You can add turmeric to food items like curries and soups or add it to hot water to make tea. You may also have turmeric by adding it to a glass of warm milk and consume immediately. Neem. Neem extract was studied and found effective as it demonstrated good or moderate clot-breaking activity. To experience the benefits of neem, you can consume neem leaf extract or neem tablets. When to seek medical help. In case you suspect a blood clot, you should call your healthcare provider right away. You should seek immediate medical attention if any blood clots are formed in your veins, venous clots, or arteries, arterial clots, as it can be very dangerous.